Welcome to our wow for this week, and this weekend just gone, the Amazon Virtual Robotics Competition was celebrated with more than 1,200 students throughout the whole of Spain. I am extremely proud to announce that in the category of 6 to 9-year-olds, one of our BSV students from Year 2, Rafa, came first. Well done, Rafa. In the category also of our 13 to 17-year-olds, two of our Year 12 students, Josep and Javier, also came second. So a fantastic achievement for BSV. I'm proud of you. This means that Rafa is going to be representing Spain in the International Virtual Robotics event in September. So go Rafa, we're going to be celebrating with you. Now we have all of our dates finalised for our Year 6, Year 11 and Year 13 graduations, and we are allowed to invite 2 people for each student. So we look forward to welcoming you there, of course following strict COVID protocol distances and wearing masks. Last week, I was delighted to welcome 4 of our ex-students into school who came to visit us. They told us how they were getting on at university. It was lovely to chat with Joanne, Jaume, Lucia and Rocio and hear how happy they all are with the courses that they've chosen at university. This week, on Friday, we're organising a non-uniform day to raise some funds to develop our outdoor garden area for primary and secondary students. So all of our primary and secondary students can choose to wear their own clothes if they like and contribute €1 to the garden fund. And finally, our Year 13 students now are nearing the end of their school journey here at BSV. And as they finish their final exams, we're organising some workshops for them about managing finances, living independently and learning to budget for day-to-day living. I'm sure that they'll enjoy these sessions, and thank you very much to Intur and Banco Santander for helping us out with this. And that's it for this week, so take care.